Check out this Belize Blue Pearl 09 Honda Accord 2-door coupe, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 78,542 miles. Enjoy an impressive 30 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, suspension, front shock type, gas shock ABS orders, power windows, remote operation, suspension, front strut tower bar, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear gas shock ABS orders, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, exterior mirrors, heated, daytime running lights, seats, front seat type, bucket, warnings and reminders, maintenance reminder, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 09 Honda Accord. See us at Woodfield Acura today.